launching a new chain of stores, and I'm very happy to be a part of it because we finally have something with a very international feel in India. They're a multi-brand store. They've got one of the best products from all over. I personally, and I've heard they're the first people to have sold the Samsung 85-inch televisions. So I think that is a big achievement in itself. I actually really loved being here. I'm a gadget freak. I love anything to do with televisions or any sort of a gadget. So I'm really happy to be here. They have some of the most, you know, fascinating stuff here. So it's fun to look around. You can actually spend hours in the store and not get bored. And now they're coming up with, especially for the consumers, they're coming up with this really lovely offer where when you shop at YesMart, you get this passport, and as in when you continue shopping in YesMart and you start getting your passport stamped, the YesMart passport stamped, that could land you with a really nice exotic holiday. So I would suggest everyone to just come here and shop, and considering Diwali is coming up, I'm sure it's going to be a great time to redecorate your house and get some of the best equipment and the loveliest way to watch televisions and movies. I mean, it's just one of those very real experiences to watch it on something of this quality. So I'm really proud to be a part of it. I'm glad I was here today. I am here today, and I'm wishing YesMart the very best of luck, and I hope they grow by strength. I'm currently very busy doing my Kannada films. In fact, doing 2 remakes from Telugu. One is a remake of Kick with Upendra, so I'm currently busy with that because the movie has to release in December. Apart from that, I have 3 films going on in Kannada itself. Very soon. Most likely I start shooting in December. So once the project is announced, I will speak about it. Pavan Kalyan. Why? I don't know, I just have, you just have a following sometimes, a fan following, and he's one of those people. I love watching his films. I think he creates magic on screen, and I loved working with him. So yeah, basically. Marriage so soon, I'm too young to get married. My parents are not after me. Another 3-4 years, another 3 years I'm guessing.